Local news for Monday, August the 5th. Emergency services attended a crash Saturday afternoon which saw State Highway 2 between Namatawa and Judd's Road closed for approximately 20 minutes. And over $28,000 was raised Saturday night at the biannual Old School Ball for Wellington Free Ambulance. Climate change and the plight of refugees are the focus of some of the 150 plus events being held nationwide in this year's Phantom Bill Stickers National Poetry Day on Friday, August the 23rd, with events planned for both Carterton and Featherston. Sir Brian Lahore has passed away Saturday night at the age of 78 after a long battle with bowel cancer. Marilyn Patterson, alongside many national and international greats, have paid tribute to a man who was well respected. Mayor Patterson says Sir Brian was born, raised and schooled in Masterton and first played rugby here and made massive contributions to the wider Wairarapa community. He will be sorely missed. And finally in sports, the Wairarapa Bush under-20s thrashed Wanganui 57-12, and in hockey the Dalefield women went down 3-1 while the men lost to Hutt on a penalty shootout. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.